Hey YouTube. So I am back, and I want to say a happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I live in Canada, so this weekend was my Thanksgiving weekend, and yeah, me and my family went shopping today. Every Thanksgiving we usually, have a big dinner and have family over. We turn up every Thanksgiving, but this Thanksgiving we kind of turned it down. We just pretty much chilled and enjoyed each other's company. We watched movies last night. Today we went shopping. So I have a little haul for you guys to show you some of the things that I got. So this would be considered my fall haul. Now, most of the things I got were sweaters. I did get 2 scarves. Did get a pair of flats, and I did get some earrings. So I'm going to show you guys all of those things, but I definitely want to come and say happy Thanksgiving first. So on to the things that I got. We went to Orpheus Road today, and Orpheus Road is in Toronto, and it's a street that has a whole bunch of store outlets. So all the hip stores, but the outlets, and the outlets have things cheaper than the regular department stores. So we did get things pretty cheap. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I got from there. Okay, so I got this knitted sweater, and this is from Sirens, and this sweater was $10. It is knitted with gray and turquoise stripes. It is long sleeved, and it fits me really nice. This is a size large, and this was $10. Regular price is $13, so saved $3 there. I also got another sweater. This was from Suzy Shers, and it is a cream beige color, also long sleeve. Very nice color. It has some bit of like shine to it, shimmery shine, if you guys can see that. This too was also $10, and regular price for this is $28. I'm not lying, $28 is the regular price. So yeah, I did save a lot with that. So I like that sweater. It fits me really nice. And this is a size extra large. This is extra large. I also got another cream sweater because I love the color cream. Plus I have these nice brown boots. So cream and that tannish color boots look really nice together. So I did get 2 of these cream color sweaters. This one fits a little bit shorter. It's not as long. It has a nice deep collar. It is short / quarter sleeve. It goes up to my elbow. And it has some knitted stripes in it. This was also $10, and it is a size extra large, and regular price for this was $25. So yeah, I like this sweater as well. And what I like about these sweaters also is that they are they're casual, and they're also pretty dressy. I have placement, and I'm working in a school, so I am an education assistant. And for the winter they're dressy enough for school, but these are also casual enough to go to the mall or whatever. So I like that. Just depends on how you play up with it with like accessories and things like that. I also got a cardigan from Fairweather, and I've always wanted a cardigan like this, and I finally bought one. And it is black. This isn't on a hanger, but it is those cardigans that are like rounded at the end. I don't know if you guys are really going to be able to see this, but it is a black cardigan that is long sleeved, and it's kind of long in the back. I know y'all have seen that around. So long sleeve, and yeah, it's like rounded. It's not like think it's rounded, if you guys can see that. So I really like this. This is in a size extra large, and this was $20. Regular price was $40 and it was on special for $20. There, so I like this cardigan. Also very dressy and also very casual at the same time, depending on how you jazz it up. And trust me, I like to jazz up. I also got this sweater that I'm wearing from Sirens, and it was $10. This is in a size large, and it has a cross on the front, and it is a nice like rhinestone embroidery, and it is gold and that rusty color, so it's really nice. I did accessorize with a rusted color necklace, brown and rusty colored bracelet, gold earrings, and my black and gold headband. So yeah, I jazzed it up for sure. I also got so those are things that I got from Orpheus Road. When I went to Buffalo to shop, and I go to Buffalo to shop very, very often. Me and my mom will drive over to Buffalo, and I do a lot of shopping there. So we went to Prime Outlet Mall, and I cannot remember the name of the store, but they had some $5 scarves, so I did buy some, and they are the infinity scarves, and I love infinity scarves. Oh my gosh, I love infinity scarves so much. They can really make an outfit look so cute, like for real, guys. So I have a black one, and I also have a gray one, and I love infinity scarves so much. Like, they just make things look so cute. Like, tell me I am not looking so fab with this. I'm having too much fun with these scarves. But yeah, I really like infinity scarves. They're the cutest accessory to have for fall. And that is what I really like about fall too. The weather is not too cold, but it's cool enough to know wear a cute little leather jacket or a jeans jacket, jazz it up with a nice scarf, and boots. I love boots, and I am going to make a video on my my fall shoe collection, where I have my boots, my combat boots. I also have a pair of sneakers, low cut boots. I'm gonna come and show you guys those very soon. So I'm gonna show you another sweater that I got. It is pink. Okay, close the door, please, Deshaun. DJ? Deshaun?
Yeah?
Close the door, please. Bye-bye. Well, there was a little visit from my little brother. Anyways, I did the haul. I also got this pink sweater from Sirens. And it's a pink knitted sweater. Long sleeve. And this was $10. Regular price $23. If you kind of see that 23 there. This is in a medium large size actually. And this is it. I probably will wear this tomorrow because it is pink and that is my favorite color. So yes, I also got a pair of flats today from Ardennes, whatever it's called. And the Ardennes outlet has 80% off shoes. So I got these pair of flats. They're just a black flats with a nice floral print inside. Regular price is $14.50 and I paid $7.25 plus tax on them. So very cute for the days that are warm enough to not wear boots. You wear those. And I also got some earrings, and I know I just got a whole bunch of earrings from shopmissa.com, but I saw these and they were buy two get one free, so I felt obligated to buy three. Well, buy two and got the third one free. So first I got these cute gold cross earrings, and I think these are so cute. Like, this would just be so cute. I really like these. And this was $4. And I got these. These are so cute. They're so different and unique. I've never seen earrings like this before. These, I don't even know what shape to call them, but these silver earrings, like spikes. I don't know what this would be called, but these are really cute. I like these. They look very dressy. Like, these are nice. And this was $3. So yeah. And then my free pair I got were these cute silver bows. Well, what color is this? It is, yeah, silver with colorful rhinestones in it, and these are super cute. I love these, and these were $3. These are the 3 earrings that I got. So yeah, those are all of the things I got today, with the exception of these scarves. But yes, I'm looking forward to fall now with all my fall clothes. So yeah, like I was saying before, I love the fall season, you know, scarves and boots and jeans jackets and leather jackets. It is so cute. I just love that fashion. So yes, I'll be sure to make some outfit of the days with these items. Hopefully, if I can work out how I'm gonna record that, because y'all know my room situation. But yes, I will plan to do some outfit of the day outfits with these items. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the love you guys have been giving me so far, really motivating me to do my YouTube channel and make videos regularly. I'm doing my best. I'm really trying. Plus, I'm still getting used to the whole YouTube thing and things that I should do, things that I shouldn't do. So, yes, please help me out. Tell me what you guys want to see and be very interactive with me, because I want to be interactive with you guys. So don't forget to leave your comments below. Do not forget to like and please subscribe. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, the more subscribers I get, trust me, it makes me more motivated to make more videos. Like, seriously, it does. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.